Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing some boho goddess locks, and these are going to be handmade. So I'm just starting to braid her hair with a tiny piece of Marley braiding hair, because her hair is on the finer, thinner side, and so it needed a little bit more structure. I am adding at the end of that braid a piece of bulk human hair, and this is the loose wave hair, which is by Y Wigs, and this is 20 inches, 22 inches actually in length. And I'm just braiding that on into the braid that I just started. And once I'm done, this is how it looks. So that is the first step. For the second step, I'm taking a piece of Outre Afro Twist Springy hair, and I'm just wrapping the portion of hair that was braided. So pretty much we're just braiding where the length of her hair stops, and we're continuing all the way down. And then once we get to the portion where we're confident that all of her hair is fully wrapped and just a little bit beyond that, then we can stop, and most of the ends will be curls. She wanted more curls than locks, so that's what we're working with. This is the first one. Yeah. So continuing, guys, again, starting off the braid with a piece of Marley hair. We are just making sure that we braid that hair in, and once we get to the end, we add a piece of that loose wave braiding hair, human hair by Y Wigs. And the color, of course, looks black, so it is their natural black color. And I'm starting to do the wrapping with the Afro Springy twist hair. And you want to make sure that you twist the hair or wrap the hair in place for about 4 revolutions before you start wrapping down. And we're wrapping all the way onto the end just to make sure that we lock that curly piece in place, and make sure that we cover all of the braid also. And then I'm palm rolling, and this is the process. All right. Yeah, so follow me again now. So we're braiding in with that Marley piece of hair, and of course the hair from the Marley hair is from Amazon, and I will add that. So this is where I'm starting to introduce the boho look. Remember I said boho, but in the back I'm just adding the curls at the end, but now I'm starting to add the curls at the very top, because that is where we want to make sure that we have as much volume as possible. And so this is the second piece of that loose wave hair that we're braiding in. So pretty much we're feeding that hair into the braid. And now we're adding the third piece. Braid that in. And pretty much that is it. So 2 pieces of the curly hair within the braid, and then 1 at the end. All right, now we're going to go in and we're going to wrap. The only difference with the wrapping, instead of just wrapping all the way down, you have to make sure that you pin off or put aside the pieces of curl to make sure that you don't wrap those in. Yes, so I'm putting aside the first piece, continuing to wrap. Once you get to where the other curl is, you're gonna do the same. Just pick the curl up and put it aside, and continue wrapping until you get just past where her braids end. And guys, please give me some grace. It's my morning voice, so it is, yeah, it is what it is. All right, palm rolling, and voila, that is it. And now we're on the last one. So again, starting the braid with some Marley hair. Then when I've braided to about 2 inches or so, I'm gonna start to introduce my first piece of curl. Braid that in. Once you make sure that it's secure, then you pin it aside, continue to braid. Add in a second piece of the curly hair. Make sure that it's fully secured before you set it aside and continue braiding. Adding a third piece. And so this one in the front has 4 pieces, 3 within the braid and 1 at the end. So you see, as I go along, I continue to add more and more curls to give it even more volume. Yeah. And now for the wrapping, you take your piece of springy hair, and I did use a 24-inch, but I did cut it in half, using that half piece of the springy hair to do the wrapping. So as far as the amount of hair, I did only use 1 bundle of the loose wave braiding hair, and for the wrapping hair we used less than 1 package, and the Marley hair we barely used any, girl, from the pack. So you will have more than enough hair to get this look done. All right, so we're just finishing off that last lock for you guys, and then of course you will see the great grand reveal. So I'm all done with the install, and I'm adding a little bit of Nairobi mousse to the hair just to make sure to make the hair a little bit more defined and to add a nice healthy shine to the look. And then I'm spraying a little bit of braiding spray, and voila, that is pretty much it for the look, guys. Let me show you guys a 360. Yes, she was all too happy with this look. She wanted a style where her scalp is breathable, the hair is light, and she's able to transition into those summer months without having to worry about the heat. So there you have it, guys. Our boho goddess locks, yes, with extreme curls at the end. Yes, so we only wrapped where we needed to wrap, and then the rest of it is curls, literally. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for tolerating my I don't want to talk too loud because I don't want to wake up the rest of my household type of voice this morning. So yeah, this is it, and we're just, cutting off the little flyaways that were obvious at the end. But yeah, guys, it was too funny. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you also for the interaction, for your comments, and for sharing, and for subscribing. However you show the channel some love, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys on my next one. Bye.